Hello guys, I'm enjoying my rain. I'm in my backyard and I'm gonna enjoy it. Yahoo! I'm gonna show you the rain. Oh my god, you can really see this. You can really see it. And this rainy day, oh, blow very hard. Oh my god. I recently washed my car. Oh yeah! Subscribe my videos. You want to go it again? Let's do it again. I hope I don't fall in there, or I'll die. Oh my god! That thing reminds me of when it rains. This thing makes a river, and that made me like, oh my god! This is my video. It's really raining. It's raining. It's raining. Rainfall.
I really got my videos. The last video like 1 minute ago. Now I'm really deciding that rain was out my leg. This thing is
Oh, look at that waterfall. It reminding me of something I'm modern painting. Oh my god. Maybe Stephen Hawking died there. Hello guys, I really post my video today like 1 minute ago. And I got to watch that way to this way. A little walk. And this rain really covering my eyes, and I'm wearing a raincoat right now, bro. I gotta press button. 3, 2, 1. Fuck! Oh yeah, that is how nice a ball. Yep. And look at this rain, it's covering everything. Oh my god. What the heck? Oh my god. I finished my video and make sure to like and subscribe my video. Peace.